Yeah, hi everybody. I'm just getting ready to head off now. I'm going public transport. I'm going to make this video because a lot of people that I've been out camping with, and I see them packing up and they're getting it all wrong. So this is the way I pack my tent, or sorry, my backpack. Yeah, for hiking and just ensure ultimate comfort. Hang on, I just realised my tent is there. Hang on. Yeah. So the general rule is the heaviest item you have, put down the bottom of your bag. Yeah. So wherever that be, in most cases, say you're just using a trekking tent, a Vango under probably 2 to 2.5 kilos. That's what you would put down the bottom. Now, I'm able to access the bottom with this because there's a side zip, so keep that in mind if you can't. But yeah, so the heaviest item I have here is 1.3 kilos, is my sleeping bag. So that goes down the very bottom. And put my poles standing up inside on the left there. Next heaviest item is, oh, what's that that's still in there? Something's, I better see what that is. Is it a stick or something? Oh, it's a bar. Alright, leave it in there, it'll be still there for the next one. Yeah, so next is my tent. Okay. What I try to do now is, so I can always stand it, me cook kit. I try to push that down so when I put my bag down it stands by itself, yeah? Okay, so my tent has gone in, then my thermarest. Right, so the weight is down there. A canteen, and that's 1100 millilitres of water in it. It's not fully full now, but if it is full, that's going in my side pouch. Again, the weight is all down here, yeah? Because when it's on your back and it's resting on your hips, you don't want the weight top heavy because your balance will be off, you know. So you want most of the weight all down there, carrying it on your hips. It's easier than carrying it on your shoulders. And yeah, so what else? Trangia, I'll pop in there. Twig stove, put in there. Chow plate, bang. Gloves and pegs, bang. Alcohol stove, me spoon, I'm going to put that in the top. When one needs to dig a hole, pads. I never put any liquids or oils inside me bag. If I need that stuff to be dry, never put beer in it or anything. Put my oil in there. And if I have things like this on my side pouches, you know, that may fall off, I use these handy straps, or anchor it to somewhere, so if that falls out, I'm going to know that it fell out. I have that there as well, access to water then as well, easy access. That. And there you go. Now obviously that would have had food and so on for the start of the trip at the top, so or maybe if it was real a lot of food, I'd have it in the cooler bag, I'd have it down because of the weight, but I've no food to come back now, so nice and lightweight, yeah. And there I am. That'll be ultimately comfortable on my back, my movement and all, you know, going in and out train stations and everything else, so I'll be able to move with that, and because it's the way it's packed. Okay, so look, thanks for watching. I'm going to finish off now and we're going to hit the road. Alright, see you soon. Bye.